I tested the new Milky Way mode on the Dwarf Mini in probably the worst conditions possible. Full moon, bright sky and very limited time before sunrise. This is the beta version and I only had a short window to test it. The Milky Way was visible very early in the morning, around 5 a.m. So the sky was already getting brighter, and this is not a quality test. This is a worst case scenario test to see if the feature actually works. First, there's AR framing, which can automatically find the Milky Way and help you frame it quickly. You can also use Atlas mode to locate it manually. And there's also Milky Way time-lapse mode, but I didn't get a chance to properly test that yet because of the limited time and conditions. Stacking actually worked pretty well, but near the full moon the gradients were very strong. Some frames were rejected, which is expected in these conditions. Still, I managed to stack a bit over 1 minute of integration, 7 images of 10 seconds gain 40. And this is what I got with the Dwarf Mini after processing. Even with the full moon right next to the Milky Way and the bright sky, I was still able to recover the structure in processing. I also tried a longer test around 340 seconds, but was already past 5 a.m. and the sky glow was too strong. So the quality dropped significantly. So again, this was not ideal, but the fact that it works even like this is actually very impressive. So imagine what this can do under dark skies with no moon and proper integration time. This feature is definitely promising. If you want to try it yourself, I left a link in the description, including also an auto discount code. I'll test this again soon in better conditions. So stay tuned for my next videos, and if you want to support the channel, hit the join button and you'll get access also to my to the astrophotography data that I share for channel members, including also many equipment reviews. Let me know what you think about the new feature of the Dwarf Mini and the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. This feature is available for both telescopes, and hope to see you soon in the next video.